Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in TradingView account. So if you also want to log in TradingView account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. This application is available both in Play Store and App Store. Wait for it to load. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to log into your account, simply tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can also sign in with your email. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to tap on Google. Choose an account to continue. After that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in TradingView account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.